Hello guys, so this is a 28-day challenge, the first day of your start. So welcome guys, I'm Chef Nicolas, coach as well. I just want to show you and introduce you how it will work, this challenge, so how to get started. And I think some of you have received the book, the one who has been ordering your NutriMeal first, and how to get started with a NutriMeal, how to get started with a 28 days book, a personalized book, and then how we're gonna do step by step. So today is the first day. No worries, it's not a big challenge that you have to do this every day and show this. It's not. It's easy. It's something that you have to do for yourself. And then okay, let's go start. Let's get started. I share this one to you. I want to share for you an example of the book, for example. So as you can see, this book here, uh, this is a 28 days challenge. So the personalized book is a flipping page book. So it's really easy. When you get the link, you can just flip it and you can read it from your phone. You can read it from any places, basically. Just one thing about this, as you can see below, you have this ad things. So this one, because later on will be gone, this one, but at the moment we have this. So you just close it, because sometimes it's annoying when you read it. When you read the book from your phone, is annoying. So you just flip it, you just close it, and you just say that you don't want to receive this anymore. Okay. And then after it will be gone. One more thing. So first of all, you can see that there is 92 pages. So I just give you an example for this one is Venus. So Venus, you want to lose some weight. This challenge is doesn't matter if you want to lose weight, if you want to gain weight. For example, for myself, I want to do this challenge as well to feel and let because for the last few months I have not been doing much. So I really want to take 45 minutes every day to do something. Okay, so the goal of this challenge is I will ask you to just do something for yourself as well, only for yourself. You can choose whatever you put on your Facebook group here, on the group, that you can put pictures, but just, or you can just write it if you don't want to put anything. Just say what you do, what you have done today for 45 minutes. It can be like yoga, it can be stretching, it can be breathe in and breathe out. So I will show you, I will help you, and I will tell you what I do myself sometimes, some days. Like for example, today I'm going to do some yoga just after this short meeting. So like 45 minutes, and I will show you, I will share you the video I use for my yoga. Even breathe in and breathe out is enough. Sometimes when you do this exercise, there is a specific exercise on the way of just lying down sometimes, and just use those exercises to just breathe in and breathe out. And you know, by only breathe in and breathe out is you can actually lose weight if you want to, you know. So you don't really need to do extensive exercises. You just do gradually daily, sometimes, like breathe in and breathe out, because our body is actually, if you see like 10 kg of fat, on 10 kg of fat, it contains 8.4 kg of CO2. So like CO2 is oxygen, basically. 8.4 kg of our body is oxygen, and 1.6 kg is water, is H2O. So it's like the rest is water. So water, we need it. We need to drink a lot of water, but breathe in and breathe out as well, we need it. But more when you do exercise, if you mention, even you do some bodybuilding or those kind of things, you go to the gym, you need all the time, and the coach will tell you to breathe in, breathe out. And those breathe in, breathe out, this is where you're gonna lose some weight and lose some fat, basically. This is the big fat fact that we call it, the big fat secret. So this is a big thing when you coach, when you do something. And when we have some of us are coach here also in this group. It's quite new. We do this challenge every 28 days. So just to motivate ourselves, let's do something for 45 days. Let's plan to do that. Okay, on the book, you can see there is a lot of things that you can read. So this book, you don't need to read it one shot in one day. You just go step by step and then you read it. There is a lot of information. You can go straight away to this as well. You go to when you start on the, you can go to the end. So they will tell you about micronutrient, micronutrient. This actually is something that I write it down. I write all these books during the past few months when I was on quarantine. So I didn't do much thing, and I decided to just write this book and make people awareness that they need to eat healthy mostly. So it's very important, and to compare also a good nutrition. So this book will help you to just write it down as well of what you eat every day. And at the end of this book, I created a specific recipe for you that is on a 3 weeks recipe first, because those recipes are quite difficult to make because I'm working with a dietitian. So on a specific people as well. So those recipe has been created on about 1,500 calories per day. So this is what you have to take. So like as you can see, let's zoom in, for example, this one. Like, let's say, for example, on week 2, for example, on Wednesday, I have a breakfast. You can choose your breakfast. This is just an example to help you, but you can choose to have a breakfast, egg toast, for example, and after at 10 a.m. you have your whey protein shake. I just put whey protein shake, but it can be like Nutri-Meal, because now we are taking a Nutri-Meal. And I will tell you why it's important to take Nutri-Meal once a day. So sometimes I just replace my breakfast if I want to lose weight. Sometimes I just replace the breakfast by only the Nutri-Meal, and that's enough. Or I will replace another meal as well. It can be dinner if you want to. I like to take it for breakfast because it gives me a full energy. When you get this energy during the day, it will push you to motivate you to just do your 45 minutes of exercise, sport, or activity whatsoever. This is just example. Then after you have some recipe that you can see as well. So this follow the day as well. So you have a lot of recipe, a lot of like for 3 weeks. On the end of these 3 weeks, you can just go back to the first week as well and just create it as well. And you can even do your own menu, but it's to teach you. Those recipes are quite easy. See, this is simple. This is something that I created with a dietitian to help people basically to prepare the meal even 1 week in advance. That's why I put, sometimes you will see blast freezer that you can keep the meal in the freezer or in a chiller, and then you prepare for your week. So that's sometimes you don't need to have headache. You prepare on the weekend, and then you have all your dish that is prepared, and then you keep it. You take it in a fridge or in a freezer. You defrost it, and then you just eat it. So it's something very, very simple. The most simple food that I try to do, because as a chef sometimes it's a bit too complicated, but it's something very easy and very, very simple ingredient as well. So I will let you read. So that's all about the book, personalized ebook. And then after this, at the end, you just have more information about, let me check on the last page. Yeah, basically that's it. After that, you just need to have like, for example, this book Venus. So you just start with this. You just start with your Nutri-Meal. What I will do today is also step by step, and also we have Fabien in this group who will show you some video as well, step by step, how to use Nutri-Meal to do some special recipe as well. Me personally, my Nutri-Meal, I like to take it sometimes simple. I just mix some banana or extra fruit inside, but I like to take it simple with water, and I just mix it as well. I just mix this, and then very simple. After this, okay, I stop sharing. Yeah, basically, if you have any question, don't hesitate. The first thing is just take it easy. It's just a 28-day friendly challenge, because today is a national day, it's a French national day, so Bastille Day. I want to just start to create this challenge for everyone, to help everyone. Every month, I will do it. We will do it often. So like, if you have friends, you just try to do this challenge for 28 days. You see how you feel. You can invite your friend as well, because this challenge, actually, you have a lot of coach. Even myself as a coach, usually when I coach people, it's quite expensive, because I will give them those kind of recipe, those food that we spend time sometimes to, so those are have a price, and it's quite expensive. And this challenge is available for everyone. What they need to do is just buying, like as you did, just a Nutri-Meal with this 28 sachet. and then try it and take it. And then after you will see the result by yourself by feeling more energized, and then following us on the group. So I have also my brother on this group who will share like some exercise that I will also share a video of 45 minutes that is a fitness exercise that you can do at home. It can be for beginner or for normal people, but this video, I'm using it sometimes. I do 2-3 times a week. It can be without equipment as well. So my brother will share some tips and some exercise that he do without equipment. I have Santosh in this group as well. So Santosh is also quite. He has a very big knowledge on all the bodybuilding, and if you want to decide to go to the gym as well, how to do some, like if you decide to do arm today or you do chest or this kind of thing, he will also show you what he do during the day and every day what he has been doing as well. So it's 45 minutes of whatever you want to do. Just don't tell me, okay, today I cook, because this is part of our daily life. Everybody cook, but just tell me, okay, today 45 minutes I spend for myself as breathe in, breathe out, yoga, stretching, whatever. Walking is fine. So everything that you do for 45 minutes is fine, as part as you just take out this mobile phone away, computer away, and then 45 minutes just think about your mind, what you want to do for yourself. Just do it, and then you will feel much better on whatever you want to do as well for the future, like your work or I know sometimes it's very busy, but everybody got 45 minutes in the life. I'm going to work later in the evening. I'm working sometime, like now I will start next week to start to work every day, but I still have to take 45 minutes either in the morning or evening or afternoon. I try to take this 45 minutes for myself. This is the most important things. Okay. See you guys. And I see that some people watching, but anyway, I will share this video. I will also save it on YouTube. So every time this video will be on the first day of our 28-day challenge for every single challenge month that we are doing it. So it's like a part of our daily life. And welcome to the team, guys. I wish you a good day, and let's share what we do every day for 45 minutes. Quick picture, quick message is good to know. Sometimes you can even take picture also of the dish of what you eat and what you have been eaten. I will help you and I will tell you if this is good or not, because sometimes the food that we eat we think is good, but it's actually not good, and I will tell you, no, you have to reduce this one is maybe too big, or you cannot eat this, is too much, is contain too much chemical, maybe, all those kind of things. Okay, so see you, bye bye.